The other thing I want to highlight is that not only are we bringing the users the awareness of these bugs, weaknesses, vulnerabilities, we can provide them hyperlinks right to the reporting framework, which will download an XML file if you really want the XML. Or if you move over a little bit in the browser, or you can drag this whole column over if you prefer to have it here, we actually have a link to the vulnerability URL. So this takes us to the advisory, where we can see that this is a medium risk and that there's no workarounds available in the bug IDs, right? The HTML version with all of the details you need from a single source, the table, the data table in our search results. It's pretty incredible stuff, right? So now not only can we identify that there's bugs, weaknesses, vulnerabilities, we can take the user directly in a hyperlink here to the remediation center and the advisory itself.